Welcome to Stocky Pro. Let's master organizations fast. Navbar, then contacts, and then organizations. This is your master company list.
Organizations keep contacts, tickets, and branches data tidy. Add them one by one, import a swarm, or link every branch and user in a snap. Hit create. Add display name, registered name, abbreviation industry, tags, smash save and next. Click any row to open full view. Details, branches, contacts, tickets. Need tweaks? Edit up top or more actions, then edit in list view, then save. Inside the org, switch to associate. Pick a branch, choose a contact, or spin up a new one. Tap save. Link locked. Need contact tips? Check our contacts tutorial. Spreadsheet ready? Tap import. Registered name plus display name required. More fields welcome. Map columns. Review. Import. All companies land in one go. Here's a top feature in Stocky Desk organizations. From more actions, click Helpdesk, pick the desk, generate a link or QR code, or share it by email. Now, every ticket links right back to that organization. See it in action in the dedicated video for this on our YouTube channel. Need a backup? Hit export. Toast pops up, tap track request, download your fresh file. Create, edit, import, export your organizations. Nice work.